The last class, coal and petroleum already over. After by burning of this coal and petroleum, it causes several polluting agents in the air. It releases pollution in the air. This pollution consists of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, arsenic, selenium, lead, zinc, etc. So many harmful, it causes so many harmful effects to the human beings. That means after burning, by burning of this coal and petroleum, it releases harmful gases. Suppose greenhouse gases are also affected because of these gases only. CO2 means carbon dioxide, CO means carbon monoxide, poisonous gas, sulfur dioxide, this is also poisonous, sulfur dioxide, arsenic, antimony, selenium, lead, zinc, etc. These materials are released in the gases, it causes pollution. Due to this pollution, human beings are affected, nausea, headaches, or lungs problems, heart attacks are happened. These are all pollution effects. Okay. Our next topic is combustion of fuels. Combustion of fuels means so many items are available our surrounding. After burning of these materials, you see some materials are burned immediately, some are burned after some time. Some materials does not burn. Why? What are the reasons for the fast burning, immediate burning? Some materials catches fire after some time. Some materials does not catch fire. Why? We will all discuss in this chapter. Combustion of fuels. See, type of materials. That means our surroundings, so many materials are available. To take different kinds of materials. Here one is magnesium ribbon, second one petrol, third one diesel, fourth one kerosene, 5 wooden piece, 6 pebble, 7 plastic. See this magnesium ribbon. Try to burn the magnesium ribbon by using these tongs. By putting tongs, catch some magnesium ribbon, keep over the flame. Whatever. Immediately burn. It catches fire immediately. Okay, next petrol. Petrol also immediately catches fire. Burning takes place immediately. Diesel, this also, kerosene also. Wooden piece slowly burning. Wooden piece slowly burning. It is not burned immediately. After some time only, it starts burning. Pebble, it won't burn. Does not burn. Plastic. Plastic also two types are there. Thermosetting, thermoplastic. Plastic 1, plastic 2. First type means thermoplastic that burn slowly. Second one won't burn. Thermosetting plastic means it won't burn. Why? Thermosetting already you know. Thermosetting plastic means initially, if first stage they burn and melt. That means they melt in a liquid state, solid to liquid state, and it mold in a after pouring the mold, it comes in a perfect shape, perfect volume and shape. Once it is become a solid, after melting it become a solid, it is not possible to burn again. That type of bonds takes place in the inside the formation of solid. So that is thermosetting. Thermosetting plastic. In thermosetting plastic, it is not possible to burn. What are example means that kitchenware, in the kitchenware some vessels are there. They are all having handles, cooker handles, and some vessels, kitchen vessels handles, and computer keyboard. These are all examples for this. Type plastic one means ordinary plastic, PVC, or and chairs, mugs, like that. Okay. Here see, some materials immediately catch fire, some materials does not catch fire. What is the need? Why these are all catching fire immediately? Why these are not catching fire? Some materials start burning after heating only. Why? Because of this ignition temperature. Ignition temperature. This is the main reason for the ignition temperature. Some materials catches fire immediately means that ignition temperature is very less. At ordinary conditions, ignition temperature is there. That's why it catches fire immediately. Suppose this wooden piece, the wooden piece ignition temperature is high. After burning, try to burn the wooden piece. It takes some time because the ignition temperature is high compared to the other materials. After reaching the ignition temperature only start burning. That's why wooden piece won't burn immediately after taking some time only. Suppose this pebble means won't burn means does not burn means that ignition temperature is very high. It also even pebbles also become a liquid or gas, but by ignition temperature is very high. That's why it is not possible to burn at ordinary temperatures. Okay, this is the main reason. And another one is combustion. Combustion. Another important one is combustion. Here, combustion means any object after burning, any object after burning means immediately they react with oxygen to form the respective compounds. For example, carbon. On burning a carbon, carbon reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Suppose sulfur. Sulfur burn in the presence of air. Sulfur reacts with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide. Like this. That means most of the reason for the combustion is because of this oxygen only. If the availability of oxygen is not there, the combustion is stopped. So burning of any material, what is needed? Oxygen is needed. Without oxygen, it's not possible to burn again. Here, combustion means burning of materials in the presence of air or oxygen is called combustion. In this combustion part, what is the main object? That is, what is the main agent? Oxygen. Oxygen is available, then each and every one, each and objects, most of these are all burning immediately. Okay, see one small example for the combustion of materials. Oxygen is needed. Combustible materials. Combustible materials. Combustible material means the materials which can burn easily. The materials which can burn easily are called combustible materials. What are examples? Petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal, etc. Paper, these are all combustible materials. Whatever the object, it catches fire easily, those are all called combustible materials. Non-combustible materials. Non-combustible materials. Non-combustible material means the materials which does not catch fire. The materials which does not catch fire are called non-combustible. Pebble, iron chain, etc. In ordinary conditions, it is not possible to burn. These are all non-combustible materials. Okay. Here, what is needed? Combustion purpose. See this. Suppose one candle is there, burn the candle, it catches fire immediately. Over this burning candle, kept the glass. One glass is kept over this. That is completely kept on this. What happened is immediately put off. Suppose let's take a bigger one. Immediately put off that candle. Why? That means close the candle. Close the candle with empty glass. That is transparent empty glass. You can see the burning of candle. Initially, sometimes the candle was burned. After few seconds later, what happened? It is put off. Why the burning candle put off immediately after some time? Because oxygen, O2. O2 gas is not available. Whatever the oxygen gas is there inside the glass, at that time it is burning condition. Once the oxygen gas is exhausted, immediately it stops the burning. That means the candle is put off because oxygen gas is not available. Suppose you take certain height, to keep certain height. What happened? Keep the glass over the burning flame. That means burning candle at certain height. Top of the flame candle is covered with glass. Then what happened means, in this way, oxygen entering into the glass. So there is no possibility of put off this. It burns continuously. It burns continuously without put off. But what happened means, the hot air gathered in this place. After some time, the glass was break. The glass break at the top of this glass. That means the hot air concentrated at the top of this glass. There is no possibility to escape. That's why it will break immediately. Suppose it is completely removed. What happened? The candle burns continuously for some time. Whatever the wax available up to this wax is burning continuously. So from this experiment, what we know? Here, first one is aim. This is a lab activity. This lab activity, first one aim. What is that aim? Oxygen gas is necessary. Oxygen gas is necessary for combustion. Okay, next one, materials required. Materials required. What are the materials required? Glass, candle, matchbox, transparent glass, these are the required. Next, procedure. Procedure means how to conduct the experiment. First, take a candle, burn the candle with a matchbox. Now the candle is burning condition. Take an empty transparent glass, kept over the flame. Completely close the burning candle. What happened? The burning candle burns for some time, that means for some seconds. After that, immediately put out. Suppose it is placed over the burning candle at certain height. After a few minutes, that will break immediately for the passage of hot air in the upper way, in the upper part of the glass. That means, from this experiment, what we can understand, that means finally you can write the result. Whatever the result. Result means, completely close the burning candle, it is put out means oxygen is needed. How much time oxygen is available at that time? The candle is completely in the burning condition. Once the oxygen gas is exhausted, the candle is put off immediately. So from the experiment, what we can understand? Oxygen is needed for the combustion of materials. So this is the 4 marks question. Today, what are the questions? I explained. Initially, I explained the table. Sometimes the question is given like a table. Certain materials are given. These are all combustible or not. You have to check. How to check the materials? Take it from each material, hold with the palm and kept over the flame. See write the observations in the table. Some materials are catch fire immediately, some are catching fire slowly, some materials does not burn. So right there, what are the experiment part you can write. Next one is, what are the combustible materials? What are non-combustible materials? Write example for it. Combustible material means the materials which catch fire immediately. Those are combustible materials. Example: petrol, diesel, kerosene, etc. Non-combustible means the materials which does not catch fire. These are all called non-combustible materials. Write the example correct. 2 marks question this one. Table is 4 marks question. Okay, next one is lab activity. Here, what is the lab activity? Write an experiment to prove that oxygen gas is needed for the combustion of materials. Okay, take this. You draw the diagram and write the materials required procedure. Finally, result. Totally 10 marks.